Paranoid bitch, I'm tweaking, locking myself in my home. And I don't wanna go to no parties, little baby, so don't send invites to my phone. She say I'm an asshole for no reason, cause I just wanna be left alone. Quit being so damn big-hearted, baby, that shit ain't gon' get you too far. Paranoid bitch, I'm tweaking, locking myself in my home. And I don't wanna go to no parties, little baby, so don't send invites to my phone. She say I'm an asshole for no reason, cause I just wanna be left alone. Quit being so damn big-hearted, baby, that shit ain't gon' get you too far. Shit ain't gon' get you too far. I could read you like a book, cause you don't ever wanna say shit. We yelling, making people look. This is our own conversation. Perfect pictures on the ground, but we all know you fake it. Now I'm posted with a bad bitch, slim thick and she know how to take it. Been fucking with you for a while now I'm taking new bitches on dates. Posted up with some grown ass man, wait till they find out you ain't. Don't got time to feed you no more, babe, I got way too much on my plate. Don't hit my phone with sorries no more, baby girl, because it's too late. You gon' see me on the TV, my ex-bitch ain't believe me. You see you posted on the ground with a new nigga, it's gonna be screaming. You feel me fucking with my CDs, you gon' be pissed, but believe me. And shout out my game, I'm out the family, nigga, you know that it's CD. Why you so ungrateful, bitch? New bitch, faithful, bitch. No, she hates you, bitch, but she gon' replace you, bitch. Know that I hate you, bitch. Ay, paranoid bitch, I'm tweaking, locking myself in my home. And I don't wanna go to no parties, little baby, so don't send invites to my phone. She say I'm an asshole for no reason, cause I just wanna be left alone. Quit being so damn big-hearted, baby, that shit ain't gon' get you too far. Paranoid bitch, I'm tweaking, locking myself in my home. And I don't wanna go to no parties, little baby, so don't send invites to my phone. She say I'm an asshole for no reason, cause I just wanna be left alone. Quit being so damn big-hearted, baby, that shit ain't gon' get you too far. That shit ain't gon' get you too far.
Double kill. Triple kill. Ace.
G's, no design on my jacket. Work hard, now I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't in that bracket. Guys came in, you know how to stack it. Take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Carol's here, man, you know he stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always out. Big Drake, shooting Curry like Curry. Take your he ain't know he stay passed up. You don't catch him late night, do you ass up? No, real, how to put it E-class up. They like, actually, I ain't take the pass up. 2018, it was me and Big Corey. Flown through the city, had a cool true story. Niggas raps, they be singing like Tory. They was real, but them niggas not for me. Wanna see me shine, try to steal my glory. Nigga going crazy, it's hard to ignore me. Bitch bad, but she starting to bore me. Got 100 more, they waiting for me. Act me down, I'm with the barrier sweater. Off-white kicks, I don't match it, I'm clever. Fuck a price, I get it, whatever. Say you had twins, niggas send them whichever. Catch a vibe, I'm wavy as ever. Spend a bag, no saving my cheddar. Saucy niggas mixing with some Margiela. Give a fuck by the nigga I never had. Give a fuck by the nigga I never. Saucy niggas mixing with some Margiela. Spend a bag, no saving no cheddar. G's, no design on my jacket. Work hard, now I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't in that racket. Guys came in, you know how to stack it. Take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Carol's here, man, you know he stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shooting Curry like Curry. Take your he ain't know he stay passed up. You don't catch him late night, do you ass up? No, real, how to put it E-class up. They like, ask nigga, how you take the fast ride? Summer's coming, know the block is hot. Give a fuck if it's dark or not. They shooting niggas, old parking spots. Ain't pressed about it, we'll connect the dots to the break it down, we don't talk to cops. Give a fuck about if he was wrong or not. These niggas fake, these niggas talk a lot. So I gotta stay low, gotta get the guap. They pop shit, these niggas call it they kettle. Break them down, no you know I can't settle. Family matters, wavy heavy like metal. All guys got my foot on the pedal. Number 9 G's, bread force cause they stack nice. Hop on crack through the front, see the back light. Might get it fixed if the bitch just act right. Big bro in the cut, slipping on act like. Hop on crack through the front, see the back light. Might get it fixed if the bitch just act right. Big bro in the cut, slipping on act right. G's, no design on my jacket. Work hard, now I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't in that racket. Guys came in, you know how to stack it. Take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Carol's here, man, you know he stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shooting 30 like Curry. Take a yerky, ain't always stay passed up. You don't catch him late night, then you asked up. No, real, how to put the E-class up. They like, X nigga, how you take the fast ride?
Been stuck in my head, and girl, I really wanna talk now. Chill at your place, but every day you will walk out. Okay, cool, can we calm down? Anger inflates, slapped in the face with your palm. I don't know what to do when it's late and I'm tired, and you're on my mind. Take a hit to feel higher. Text you again when I'm feeling inspired. I recognize I'm reigniting a fire. Hey, what you wanna do with me? I heard you telling everybody that you cool with me, but like you never text back every night. Relapse on the pain, but you never let your parents see that. Now you stuck in a cycle of fuck-ups and jealousy. In my live stream, hit me up just to yell at me. Wow. Think of the times you were hesitant. Thoughts about me, hope you know they're indefinite.
For anybody that's wondering what my mind is, that shit's just solitary confinement. Open-minded, but my mind's been lost and I'm really just trying to find it. Yeah, we're magnets, just trying to manage attraction. Damage and shattered to fragments. Love like a spiral, I'm just trying to catch it, but I guess I suck and I just need some practice. And I'm wishing I could rip you off my head like my hair. Yeah, if I was dead, would you even care? If I had a funeral, would you be there? Sometimes I wonder what colors you'd wear. Will you move on and tell yourself that you're strong? While you let me fade as I'm dead and I'm gone? Will you hold it down till you meet me in God? Or love someone else and leave me to be lost? I thought for life meant for life until mama remarried 3 times. I never saw through the lines. Growing up, I thought that life would be fine. Now I'm just watching as everything dies.
First blood. Double kill. Double kill.
Oh, I got a lot of heart and a lot of passion. God gave me all the strength, now my demons passing. I was starving for success like a nigga fasting. All them demons lurking at me, I won't let them back in. I've been really working while they napping. Tell me why you can't be real with me, show your actions. I've been keeping it 1,000, you've been keeping fractions. But I bet when I'm afloat, this Bar City going crazy, but I swear last year all these niggas didn't play me. Main moves, got views, now they hate me. Got on, got big, now they rate me. I got 90 problems like Jay-Z, but I can never let a problem be a lady. Sunshine for the times it was raining. Work too hard for niggas to